Alright, travel friends, welcome back in one of the busiest areas in Patong. We've got the boxing stadium on one side, we've got Yongsilon on the other side. But today I'm gonna be exploring the Banzaan Market. I'm gonna do a full tour, starting at this side, which has mainly fish, seafood, but also some other different stalls like fruit, as you can see. We've got some, what are these? Desserts. Cheesy potato, which reminds me of the kumpir. Sawadee-kap. Sawadee-kap. Some dumplings over here, which you can find almost in any market. But I'm gonna try to find something special for you guys. Sushi. Kebab is also present, which I only eat when visiting Istanbul. I try to eat local food everywhere I go. Beautiful seafood, look at this. Sawadee-kap. Maybe later on, thank you brother.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah, we even have some a piece of shark. And by the way, the shark is not that expensive as you might expect.
Just take a look. I'm ready for a good fry, yeah.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah, you can try it. You can check the brand here, yeah.
Maybe later on, when I finish the video. Looks very beautiful.
It's in AB.
Yes.
20% off today.
Thank you, brother. Some live fish. By the way, there's also an inside area selling live fish only. I didn't finish what I wanted to say. The shark is about 500 baht, which would be around 12 euro and 50 cents. I think about 3 or 4 people can eat from it. I have to say I've never tried it before myself, but there will be one day. Beautiful shellfish. Yeah, I'm having some difficulties talking because my nose is stuffed, but I'm doing my best for you guys. Thank you, brother. Let's check out the other side. Got some fries over here. Some fish on sticks. Drinks. Some more sticks. Shellfish. This is how it looks from inside. I've tried it out. They put cheese on it, but I still didn't like it, to be honest. Sushi again. Yeah, so as you can see, a lot of these stalls sell the same things, but I'm still gonna do a full tour so you guys can get a good impression of the vibes of this area. And as you can hear, there is some marketing going on for boxing matches tonight. I keep hearing the same thing. Monday night, Monday night. At some point it drives you crazy. Got some wallets, jewelry. Also one of the best desserts in Thailand. Let's see. You can even try some cheese. Thank you, brother. After food, I take one. Thank you, brother. You can put some toppings on it by yourself. Another ice cream, guys. And some good vibes over here. Fresh fruit, in case you want to keep it healthy. A little bit expensive. I would recommend to buy it inside, to be honest. Fried chicken, which they're so good at. I've had some of the best fried chicken in Thailand. I've also tried it in basically every country, but Thailand is number one, I think. Some burgers over here. 100 baht, which is about 2 euro and 50 cents. Mochi. Also very delicious, especially the durian version. By the way, I hope you can hear me, it's quite loud, so otherwise I would just put on some subtitles or something. Thai food. Fresh coconuts. Look at these guys. Barbecued eggs. Don't tell me you can find that in the Netherlands. It's very fresh. The original pad thai. Some more fried chicken, or not sure. Yeah, Mina fried chicken. Some more seafood. And in case you want some slightly cheaper food, or cheaper seafood, I have to say, it's better to buy it here. And I can almost guarantee that it is fresh. The turnover is so high. There are so many visitors every day, so the chance of getting old fish or whatever is very small. Sugarcane juice, also one of my favorite things, especially if you put lime on it, in it. Fried things. Yeah, so as you can imagine, it's very hard to choose something. That's why these people are trying their best to sell something to you, but not in a pressurous way. That's what I like about Thailand. If you want to buy, you buy. If you don't want to buy, there's no issue. Okay, that's it for this side. Looks sweet potato balls. Wow, this smells so delicious, guys. Very buttery. Amazing smell. One of the best smelling stalls around here. Some more things on sticks. I've also tried out this one about 2 days ago. These are chicken chips. Not sure what they're made of, but they were quite delicious and cheap. I've also tried out this one before, the oysters. Apparently she has one of the best in Phuket, and they give you this plant with it. I want to show you guys. They give some kind of green plant, and once you eat the plant, it will start, I mean, once you eat the oyster, the plant becomes sweet. It's so crazy. Normally the plant doesn't have any flavor. Yeah, I'm so distracted by the food, so I'm making a lot of mistakes talking, as you can hear. But I still hope you guys can enjoy. Some fruit to finish the night. And more dumplings. That's it for the outside area, guys, but I promised to show you guys the inside. So most of these people are selling fruit on this side, and on the other side you have live fish. Let me show you guys from up there so you can get a better impression. Check this out. All live fish. And some vegetables and other stuff at the other side. There are so many options. Look at this one. I've never seen anything like this. Many of these stalls have about the same fish, but maybe we can find something really, really special. Like a dolphin or something, which I would obviously not buy. I think this is a halal butcher. Yeah, this is as raw as it gets, guys. What is this? Wow, look at this one. I think it's about almost 50 centimeters. Look at my hand. Look at this. I'm not even sure what it is. Like a huge snail or something. They say. That's about it, guys. We have made it until the end of this Banzaan Market tour. See you on the next one. Ciao, ciao.